A UN Security Council meeting has disrupted into pandemonium when Russia threatened Latvia and said that none of the NATO countries will be able to defend it if Ukraine launches drones from that country. So Russia has accused some of the states around Ukraine that they want to assist Ukraine in launching drones towards Russia, and Russia said that they will not be able to be protected by NATO. Heavy threats there. And in this article in The Guardian, it says UN warns Russia after Moscow threatens Latvia. And as it happened, I just want to give you the last update. So this is not going to be long. It's important to know that this is quite a serious escalation. Okay. And the key notes on this is that senior EU and US diplomats condemned Russia's threats against Latvia and the Baltic countries after Russia's representative told the UN Security Council that NATO membership will not protect them from retaliation. So they are saying that they are not scared as Russia to attack these countries, even if they are NATO members. If Ukraine launches drones against Russia from their territory. So they are claiming that Ukraine has either launched drones or are planning on launching drones from their territory into Russia. Russia has come under huge attacks, especially Moscow, where some areas have been hit, and the people within Moscow are really shook up. Because of this, Russia's Vasily Nebenzia aggressively floated Moscow's allegations that Ukraine is looking into using the Baltic countries as a launch pad for attacks on Russia, despite repeated denials from all parties. So irrespective of whether Russia's accusation is correct in this case or not, the fact that they are saying, or if they believe that these countries are being used to launch Ukrainian drones, that not even NATO will be able to protect them. As you know, NATO is probably at its weakest at the moment because of US President Donald Trump's statements on NATO, and he's probably not wrong with regards to those statements. But Russia knowing, China knowing that the US is weak at the moment, that NATO is weak at the moment, Latvia's UN representative dismissed the allegations as pure fiction and pure lies, with Ukraine's representative calling them fairy tales. So quite heated exchanges at the Security Council. The tense exchanges come hours after a NATO fighter jet shot down a stray Ukrainian drone over Estonia. So this is Ukraine sending a drone, they believe, towards Russia, and then they are claiming that Russia detoured and jammed this drone. Kiev said had been jammed and detoured by Russia. At least 2 air alerts were also separately issued in Latvia because of drones entering the area. So I'm not sure if those were Russian drones or whether it was Ukrainian drones. But certainly things heating up in that area. I'll keep you updated. If there should be an escalation for Russia to attack a NATO nation, then Article 5 might be implemented. And if that happens, it'll be interesting to see what the United States does, whether they will actually follow through with that or not. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to click the bell icon, subscribe to the channel if you want more news and updates like this. And just remember, this channel is about freedom, maximum freedom, and chaos out there in the world. People fighting in UN Security Councils does very little for freedom, because in the end, governments put things in place, especially when there's chaos in the world, to take our freedoms away.